Welcome to Lead Tax. I'm going to show you how you can file your taxes online. It doesn't have to be overwhelming or time-consuming, and you can do it anywhere, anytime. Let me show you how it works. First, you're going to open your browser and go to leadtax.ca, and next, you're going to click Start Filing to create your secure account and begin your return in minutes. Once you sign in, Lead Tax guides you step by step, no confusing tax language, just clear questions designed for real people. Next, create a profile. You'll receive a verification email. Now you're going to pick the tax year you want to file. Let's start with 2025. Now select your marital status and continue. Select whether your marital status has changed in 2025. Do you have any dependents? Now select your province of residence as of December 31st, 2025. Start by entering your basic information, including your first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, social insurance number, and your marital status as of December 31st, 2025. Include your mailing address and ensure that you're answering all questions clearly and correctly. And then hit Next. Now you'll answer questions about your residence as of December 31st, 2025. Make sure all information is correct and accurate. You'll also answer questions asking if you have a Canadian citizenship, if you hold any property over $100,000, or if you have any income exempt under the Indian Act. And then you'll click Next. Lead Tax has simplified the way to do your taxes. One option is to use CRA autofill. You can connect to CRA autofill to securely import available slips and carry forward amounts straight from CRA. All you need to do is log in with your My CRA account. Autofill will reduce keying errors and missing slips. After using CRA autofill, my forms have now been imported, including T4, T3, T5, RRSP, tuition, capital losses, and capital gain deductions. In the top right corner, you'll see your tax refund amount is at 0. When you're ready to import your slips, that amount will change. After importing, you will get a pop-up that says Success. Click Continue. I've now downloaded my slips from CRA autofill. Under my forms, you'll see I have T4, T3, T5, and so on. I have additional forms that I need to submit, and I can do that by selecting Drop Your Slips or Add Forms. I'm going to add a T4 by selecting Drop Your Slips. Now I can simply upload my tax slips or even snap a photo. Lead Tax automatically reads your documents and fills in the numbers for you, saving time and reducing errors. Now that we know how to use CRA's autofill and drop your slips, you can manually add your own forms by selecting Add Forms and searching for the specific form you need. Let's add a T4. We'll add another form. Let's add a T3. And we'll add a third one, and we'll add a T5. Lead Tax helps uncover deductions and credits you may qualify for. Let me show you how. You're going to select the Add Forms button, and we're going to search for a deduction. Let's put in RRSP. Next, we'll search for moving expenses. And now we'll add employment expenses. And now we'll add carrying charges. And next, we'll add childcare expenses. And there are many more. Just select Add Forms and search. We just finished with deductions. You can do the same thing for credits. So you'll go to Add Forms, and we'll search Donations. You're going to select Add Forms, and now we'll search for medical expenses. Add Forms, and now we're going to search for first-time home buyer credit. And next, we'll add home accessibility expenses. We'll go back to Add Forms, and we're going to put in interest paid and student loans. So we've completed steps 1 and 2, and now we are moving on to step 3, which is your provincial credits. Every province has different credits. We're currently doing BC, so make sure to answer all your questions correctly to maximize your refunds. Click Next to review and check for errors. Use the built-in error check to catch missing information and common mistakes before you submit. If you see any errors, click Fix Error and make the corrections before you submit. Before you submit, review all of the information. If you aren't satisfied or need help, you're never on your own. Get access to expert support directly inside your account whenever you need it. When you're ready, submit your return through our CRA Net File Certified platform, fast, secure, and paper-free. Select Submit, and then you'll be prompted to pay a service fee. Our Lead Tax pricing is completely affordable. You can check it out on the website. Lead Tax online filing is simple, secure, and proudly Canadian owned. Visit leadtax.ca and file your taxes with confidence today.